guys, welcome back to Chazal, and today we're going to be doing the life cycle of a star. Let's begin. You may be wondering, why have I put a yellow ball here? Well, it's our sun, and let's start. First, let's start before that. Before even that, there was gas everywhere. Gas collides in each other, and over millions of years it forms guess it, a star. Am I right? Yep, it does. Since stars are made of gases like hydrogen and helium, but they're plasma. Okay, so a beginning star fuses hydrogen into helium. Once this fusion is complete, it fuses hydrogen into helium, and that releases energy. Our sun every second loses 1 billion tons. Every single second, around 1 billion tons. That's a lot. Stars do this until they're dead, and they convert mass into energy. They are also the hottest and brightest. They are the hottest and brightest objects in the universe. They're one of the hottest and brightest objects in the universe, stars. Once they're born, after a billion years, they grow. And then gravity starts, getting backwards, and it starts, the gravity is pushed outwards, so the star expands and loses mass. And there, hasn't the star gotten bigger? Our previous model is a bit smaller than this one. This is called a star. Once the star grows, once it's in the middle of its life, it's called a yellow dwarf. Sometimes, like our sun, it's called a yellow dwarf, and it was born as a yellow dwarf. Our sun. This is how our sun is today. It's just a bit bigger than when it was born. But it's huge. It can fit a few million Earths inside of it. Okay, that's it done now. The sun is also very, very bright in the sky. You can't even look at it for a second. Your eyes will burn and you'll get watery since it's so hot and so bright. It can make you blind if you look at it for too long. But in 5 billion years, our sun will grow into what is known as, guess it, a red giant. And it will become 200 times bigger than it is right now. That's huge. And it's going to become that huge in just we're going to fast forward this in 2 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now you can, and it's become a red giant. Even though it's not bigger than our model, it's huger. Look how small our previous model is, and our first model is way too small to compare. At this point, our sun will become a red giant. It will swallow Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth. It could even swallow Earth. And gravity will be pushed out the most. It will be weighing very less now. But it'll be huge. And it'll be red. You wonder what's going to happen after that? Well, in 3, 2, this red giant is going to die in 3, 2, 1, and it's become a white dwarf. I used my eraser to do this. It's even smaller than when it was born. When it was red giant is huge. Yup. Now step these things aside, and this is the remnants of the core of the star. The skin of the red giant blows up, only the core remains. Actually, it shrinks and becomes this white dwarf. And becomes really small and really cold, and the solar system will be cold. This will happen in 5 billion years from now. If Earth doesn't get eaten, it will have to survive this coldness. And it will be uninhabitable. There will be no life in the solar system. And that's today for the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like to the channel. Okay, bye!